Every day, the Laguna Bali Resort and Spa falls into sync, coming together around the serving of an ancient refreshment. For 30 years, an indigenous elixir called jamu has offered guests the taste of a primordial temple. Each hotel in the luxury collection is a collection of captivating stories, extraordinary moments, and local customs, all carefully curated for destination-defining experiences. This series is a closer look inside the collection. Surrounded by sacred Bodhi trees, fresh lagoon pools, and pristine beaches is a resort that is built around a natural, ancestral rhythm. At the Laguna Bali Resort, time is guided by nature and refreshment. Concocted and carefully curated by Lilik, a third-generation practitioner, a drink is served. A drink that is simultaneously an elixir, an heirloom, and an instrument. Drawing from the natural environment that cascades through Bali, this drink's ingredients reflect a vast biodiversity across jungle and beach. Lilik combines warming cloves and mint along with lime and star anise. Each ingredient is patiently ground with mortar and pestle into a paste, mixed into Kintamani's orange juice with local honey, strained and served as a fragrant brew called jamu. Her designs influence every drink prepared at the resort. For the last 30 years at dawn and dusk, jamu has been served at the Laguna Bali. Each serving allowing Indonesian family wellness traditions to be shared and preserved, providing an occasion to restore and reset. When this drink is sipped, it offers guests a beat. A beat that aligns with Bali's natural rhythm and ancestral history, welcoming them to step into the island's routine and rhythm. A beat that may just bring a new kind of harmony to their lives.